Alright, hey guys, what's going on? Today's video I'm going to show you guys how to pair the i7s mini true wireless earbuds, Apple AirPods knockoffs to the iPhone 8 Plus or the iPhone 8. So let's get started. So first things first, we're going to do is go ahead and go into the settings of your iPhone here, and then under settings, you'll go to where it says Bluetooth and enable the Bluetooth settings of your iPhone. Alright, so with that said and done, it's going to start searching for nearby devices, and then with the i7s over here, you're just going to simply remove them from the charging case while your iPhone is searching for nearby devices, and then you'll just simply hold down on the two physical buttons here until they both enter into pairing mode, which is the blue-red flashing lights. So you hold it down, and then you let it go. Once they do this, they'll sync to each other. Let's wait for that. And then one will enter into pairing mode, which is most likely the right side being the host AirPod or fake AirPod, or the host earbuds, right? Alright, so once you get it to do that, they should show up on your iPhone, okay, here, and then you'll just wait for it to remain as only one under where it says other devices. So if you see two of them, don't select one until you just see only one available, and once you see it, go ahead and tap on it, and then it'll start pairing, and it'll tell you that it's connected for you. And other than that, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.